Hello, world changers, history makers, pace setters. It's Mother Ego here. How is everybody doing? I have a wonderful topic for you today, and it is are your thoughts destroying you? Are your thoughts destroying you? I wanted us to think about how our thoughts work, right? Our thoughts are things. Our thoughts are recycled every day. Almost 80% of our thoughts are recycled. So if you're thinking on things that are not good, guess what? The next day you'll be thinking the same. There's a wonderful author, Dr. Caroline Leaf, who wrote the book. I think it's called Switch on My Brain. Yes, she talks about how our thoughts work, and it would be a very good book to read. But the bottom line is we have to think on things that are good, lovely, and of good rapport. Our brain does not process negativity well. It thinks it's a wound, so we are always in a stressful mode when we are thinking on negative thoughts. And also, remember, those thoughts will drop into your heart. And out of the abundance of your heart, your mouth will speak. So if your thoughts are not good, they drop into your heart. And all your speaking is not good and not building you up. You're in this little cycle. Remember, the heart, another word for the heart is the subconscious mind. Meaning the subconscious mind is what runs. It's the blueprint. It's what runs our life. That automated system that works when you're sleeping. That automated system that helps the heart pump when you haven't even done anything. It just knows that digestion just works. Everything just works on automation. So we have the conscious mind, the mind that we understand and hear. Then the subconscious is the underlined, the one that makes everything move. So if our thoughts that have dropped into our heart, which is the subconscious mind, are not good, we are going to be in this vicious cycle, this pattern of amazingly unhealthy and unwanted things, and you shall always be beating on yourself. Why do you repeat the same cycle? Well, the blueprint that is stuck there is the same. Until you change that blueprint, nothing will change. And that blueprint is changed by repetition, having mantras, or you find words that you can repeat, words that are empowering. For example, saying, greater is he that is in me than the evil in the world. I have greatness in me. I'm a world changer, I'm a history maker, I'm a pace setter. Those are not just words I made up, though that is real. That is one of my mantras. We are world changers, we are history makers, we are pace setters. We are going to blaze the trail and set the pace. Literally, it's not just words. Meaning, when you come against obstacles of any sort, you look for solutions, and the solutions are in you, are within you. We have to take the power back and stop thinking, if someone else doesn't give me a chance, I'm done. No, you're not done. You're fully equipped and ready to go. Well, as always, this is Mother Ego, and remember, thoughts are things. So guard your mind and think on only things that are good, lovely, and of good rapport. Leave your comment below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.